Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to go about creating cool AI generated 3D papercraft. Some of the examples shown here are a couple of my more popular ones available on Etsy. In the future, you should be able to do this with other AI image generators, but for now, this is a good workaround. There are some simple basic steps you will need prior to entering a papercraft template into an app called PhotoLeap. As you can see here, this is a very simple way to go about gathering some important views when creating something like a vehicle. Amazon and other places on the internet will have ability to do 360 views, and you can gather the correct profiles needed to create a 3D object. In my example, I'm using Canva to modify the pictures and remove the backgrounds, but there are many other programs you can use that are free. Obviously, in this example, I'm quickly positioning different views, but in your case, you may want to spend a good amount of time making it perfect. Once you're happy with your results, here's where the real fun begins. You will now use the template you created in PhotoLeap under AI scenes, which gives better results. PhotoLeap allows you to use specific scenes that are fun, but you can also use a custom prompt to create a very unique object. You can even enter specific colors to features in your template that you may want to specifically see. As an example, like color of wheels, color of windows, or type of faces in case some of your objects will have faces. Once you like what you have created, it's as easy as printing, folding, gluing, or taping to turn it into a 3D AI generated toy, desk ornament, or anything you imagine. If you are making this as a professional type product, you can add cut lines and fold lines to help the user know how to cut and where to bend. I hope with this tutorial you were able to learn how to make some really neat AI generated papercraft, and it will empower you to make some very unique 3D art. If you found this tutorial helpful, please feel free to leave a comment, share a video, or even subscribe to my channel, as I will have unique ideas in the new age of AI generated art. Thank you guys for watching.